मागील तासात आपण टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स पाहिल्या होत्या. ए टेस्ट पाहिली होती, ए टेस्ट पाहिली होती, एस आणि एस या 4 टेस्ट पाहिल्या होत्या. त्याच्या आधारावर प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 मधले काही एक्झाम्पल्स आपण सोडवणार आहोत. नमुना उदाहरण म्हणून मी एक पहिलं उदाहरण घेतलेलं आहे. हा ट्रायंगल आहे ABC. या ट्रायंगलमध्ये अँगल ABC इक्वल टू 75 डिग्री दिलेला आहे आणि आणखी एक इथं सेगमेंट काढलेला आहे DE. त्याच्यामुळे तयार होणार कोण EDC. हा सुद्धा 75 डिग्रीचा झालेला आहे. आपल्याला इथं 2 ट्रायंगल्स दिसत आहेत. हा एक मोठा ट्रायंगल ABC आणि हा दुसरा एक ट्रायंगल EDC. आपल्याला हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्स सिमिलर दाखवायचे आहेत. कोणत्या टेस्टने सिमिलर दाखवता येईल बरं? या दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्समध्ये एक अँगल याचा आणि एक अँगल याचा दिलेला आहे. 75 डिग्रीचा म्हणजे कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहे. आणि दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्समध्ये एक अँगल हा कॉमन आहे. अँगल C हा कॉमन अँगल आहे. म्हणजे या छोट्या त्रिकोणाचा EDC चे 2 कोन आणि मोठा ट्रायंगल ABC चे हे 2 कोन हे कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहेत. म्हणजे हे 2 ट्रायंगल्स सिमिलर होतील. टेस्ट होईल ए टेस्ट. आता मी तुम्हाला समजावून सांगितलंय. हे लिहून कसं घेता येईल बरं?
Now recall this example. In triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle ABC equal to 75 degree, angle EDC equal to 75 degree. These angles are congruent, equal. Also, we say that angle B is congruent to angle D. Also, this is a common angle. C. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle EDC are similar by A test. Write down this example.
This is 4th example from practice set 1.3. Example is that in triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC and BQ is perpendicular to AC. Here B dash, P dash C, these 3 points are collinear, and A dash, Q dash C. We have to prove that this triangle CPA, which triangle? Look here, this triangle CPA and triangle CQB. We have to prove that these two triangles are similar. थोड्या वेळ आपण ही रेषा जर पुसून टाकली तर तुम्हाला क्लिअर असे 2 ट्रायंगल्स दिसतील. हा एक ट्रायंगल ABC आणि हा एक दुसरा आहे BQC. आता दोन्ही ट्रायंगल्स मध्ये जर तुम्ही पाहिलं तर हा अँगल CQB इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. Angle CQB is equal to 90 degree and this angle CPA is also equal to 90 degree. Therefore, these two angles are congruent, this and this. Also, there is a common angle between these two triangles, this angle ACP and angle BCQ is common angle, and therefore these two triangles, triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by AA test. ह्या दोन्ही ट्रायंगल आपल्याला ए टेस्टने सिमिलर दाखवता येतील. Two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are congruent. Corresponding sides are in proportion. That is CP upon CQ equal to PA upon QB equal to CA upon CB. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Put values. AP equal to 7. This BQ equal to 8 and BC equal to 12. CA is not given. By cross multiplication, what happens? 7 into 12 equal to CA or AC divided by 8, and therefore AC equal to dash. By take product and division of these factors.
Now solve this example. Write in your notebook. AP is perpendicular to BC and BQ is perpendicular to AC. B dash C and A dash Q dash C, these are collinear points. Therefore, in triangle CPA and triangle CQB, angle C is congruent to angle C, common angle. Angle P is congruent to angle Q, each 90 degree. Therefore, triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by AA test. Now, we have to find length AC. Given that AP equal to C1, BQ equal to 8 and BC equal to 12. AP upon BQ equal to BC upon AC. Reason? Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Put values. 7 upon 8 equal to 12 upon AC. Therefore, AC equal to cross multiplication 12 into 7 upon 8. Therefore, AC equal to 84 upon 8, which is equal to 10.5. Write down this example.
Students, this is example number 6 in trapezium ABCD. This is trapezium A, B, C and D. Side AB and DC, this AB side and DC are parallel sides, and diagonal AC and BD, this diagonal AC and BD intersect at point O. Given that AB equal to 20, CD equal to 6 and BO equal to 15, we have to find AO. First, understand this example and then try to solve. Now look here, this side AB and CD are parallel. Side AB is parallel to side CD. This is given, and segment AC is transversal. Therefore, these two angles are congruent. Reason? Alternate angles formed by transversal and two parallel lines. Also look here, this segment BD and AC intersect each other at point O. Therefore, these two angles are also congruent. Angle AOB and angle COD, vertically opposite angles. Now, we get two triangles. Which two triangles? Triangle AOB and triangle COD. Is in these two triangles, two angles of first triangle are congruent to corresponding two angles of another triangle. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA test. Which two triangles? Triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD by AA test. Now their corresponding sides are AO and CO, which is equal to OB upon OD, which is equal to AB upon CD, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now put values. Given that CD equal to 6, this CD equal to 6, AB equal to 20, also BO equal to 15, we have to find OD. By cross multiplication, OD equal to 15 into 6 divided by 20, which is equal to dash. Find the answer.
Now example number 4. Write down this example in notebook. AB is parallel to CD given, and AC is transversal, BD is also transversal, intersecting in point O. Therefore OB upon BA equal to OD upon DC. By putting values, 15 upon 20 is equal to OD upon 6, OD equal to 15 into 6 upon 20, OD equal to 90 upon 20, OD equal to 4.5.
Students, now this is example number 8 from exercise 1.3. In this figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other at point P, and AP upon CP equal to BP upon DP. It means that these two ratios are same, they are in proportion. We have to prove that these two triangles are similar triangles. Look here, these are two given triangles, ABP and triangle CDP. In these two triangles, AP upon CP equal to BP upon DP. This is given, and there is congruent angle. Which angle? Angle APB is congruent to angle CPD, vertically opposite angle, and therefore triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP by SAS test. Hence